Plaintiff Shalina Chess is suing her ex-girlfriend, Dorian Parrish, for personal property. Shalina says Dorian attacked her with her fingernails, leaving her scarred. However, Dorian says the injury that Shalina suffered was an accident, and the plaintiff physically attacked her in a fit of jealousy, so she's countersuing for emotional distress.
Shalina Chess is suing Dorian Parrish for personal property. Yes. Shalina, tell us why you're here today.
Okay, I met Mrs. Parrish in April of 2007. At first we were just friends, then it became physical, and after that it turned into a relationship.
Sexual?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Everything was good, for the first couple of months until Miss Parrish started being physically abusive with me.
She was abusive with you?
Exactly, yes,
How
ma'am.
tall are you?
5'1".
How tall are you?
About 6 feet.
6 feet tall?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
How was she physically abusive?
Oh, I'll tell you. There was one instance where I had challenged Mrs. Parrish to a push-up contest. She got mad. For some reason, she punched me in the face and broke my glasses. I have the broken glasses.
You walk around with those glasses broken?
No, I have contacts now. I have the other lens.
Did you break her glasses?
I broke them. It was an accident. We were playing and I hit her. It was no contest, but I did break the glasses by accident.
All right, please tell me, what is a push-up contest?
I don't know, because we didn't have any push-up contests. We were playing. We often, tussle, and I hit her by accident and they broke. So I don't know.
You know what? Get yourself some crazy glue. You can fix this in a minute. Know that? I have kids. I know how to do that. Okay, so you break up because she's abusive to you?
No, that's not why we broke up. Like I said, she was abusive to me. It was another situation. We were playing Uno. I know it sounds silly, but, we were playing Uno. She lost. She got mad, and she, gouged me. I have a scar where, it'll never go away. I think she's just a violent person. She even beat my ex-girlfriend up in a club one night. I mean, she looked small and nice and demure, but it's not the case.
Do you have pictures of your injury?
I don't have pictures, but I can show you.
Do you have a scar?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is it?
Oh, wow, probably 5 months old. It never
So
went
it's
away.
not going away?
No, ma'am.
All right, let's see it.
Okay.
Do you admit that you...
Step around?
The scar is more than 5 months. I was singing a song, Chris Brown, a song that I like, and I was dancing. My nails are long.
What? That scar is at least 2 inches long.
It's my nails. I have long nails. I was dancing.
Honey, your
and
nails
I
are not 2 inches long.
I know they're not, but I was dancing and I went and grabbed her to dance with me, and she pulled away from me, and I grabbed her at her waist and my nail went across her. That's what that is.
So, and you admit that that's more than 5 months old?
Yes, it is.
Well, that's a serious scar, I'm telling you. That is serious. For something to scar like that, it had to have been serious. And you don't just do it with nails as short as yours. But anyway, go ahead.
In March of 2008, Miss Parrish went away to Alabama Job Corps. When she left, I lent her a necklace and my graduation ring. I lent it to her because, I just wanted her to have something to remember me by. And she knew how much, the ring meant to me. It has a lot of sentimental value. Everything was going fine until August 2008. She sent me a text message saying that she still loved me, but she was no longer in love with me, and she wanted to end the relationship. I agreed. I just said, just bring me my things back when you come back to Atlanta. October the 3rd, she came back to Atlanta, and I picked her up from the bus station, and I took her home, dropped her off and everything. Next day I came back, and I said, can I have my things, my belongings? She returned to me only 2 hats, a scarf, and a jacket.
No ring?
Ma'am?
No ring?
No ring, no necklace, nothing.
All right.
So I said, Miss Parrish, where the
Do you
rest?
call her Miss Parrish all the time?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
All right. Talk to me.
About the things. I went away to
Talk to me
school.
about your relationship. Talk to me about all these accidents that happen. Whether you accidentally break her glasses, whether you accidentally scar her.
Okay, well, first, I just want to start off saying that a lot of what she's saying is not true. She lies about a lot of things. We were in a relationship, and a lot of times it didn't go good because, number one, the ex-girlfriend that she's claiming, that I fought, she was still in communication with her. We were together, still going to see her. And yes, me and the girl got in an altercation because she was still seeing the girl. She also, while we were dating, went and got married. She's married to a man for citizenship. He pays her, $500 a month because she doesn't want a job.
Excuse me. Did you get married?
That's not true, Your Honor.
Did you get married? It's a yes or no.
No.
How can you prove she got married?
She came to my house with the wedding ring. I didn't know anything about it until I saw the ring. He needed citizenship. She needed money. It's been a lot going on. I did go to school. Yes, we were arguing every day. She asked me when I left from school if we could get an apartment together. I understand we can't be together, but, be my roommate. And I told her, no, I'm going to school in Boston now. I told her no. She began, wanting to hug on me and rub on me. And I told her, get out my room. She wouldn't leave, put her hand across my door. I pushed her out of the room. She slammed my foot on the door. She told me, oh, if you want to fight me, we can fight. And, she was just acting crazy. She left and came back with this box of my belongings ripped up and destroyed. I guess that was my payback for not wanting to be with her.
Let me see that. Did you cut up her belongings? Look at me.
Your Honor,
Don't lie to me.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Tell me.
Those were all things that she had given to me, throughout the relationship. That's why they
What's
were at my
with
house.
the two of you in glasses?
Your Honor, the things that I have are also things that she gave to me. She bought me a phone and stole it from my house because she claimed that I didn't call her enough.
Your Honor, how can you
Hold
steal
on.
something?
Hold on. What is this?
It was a bag.
It's a bag?
It was a little mesh handbag.
Whose was it?
Mine. Those are all belongings of mine that she brought to my house after she attacked me.
All right. So this is your stuff that she damaged.
Yes, and everything that I returned to her was in the condition she gave
All right.
to
Now,
me.
can I tell you something? There's no question. This involves people who are in a relationship. All right. Whether it's a CD of your favorite movie, cards, memories.
There's
all right?
pictures in there that can't be replaced. Childhood pictures that she ripped up out of anger.
You gave them to me, though.
Your Honor, when I left for school, we both exchanged a box of sentiments to have, each other's items, pictures. We wrote each other poems, letters. She has all her stuff, condition that she gave it to me in, and that is my stuff.
Okay.
And I have her ring, by the way, to
Dorian,
return to her.
that was my next question. Do you have the ring?
Yes, all of this is hers. This is all stuff
Take
of hers.
out the ring. Let me see the ring. Are you two done with each other?
Absolutely, I've moved on.
Okay. The ring and the necklace.
Yes.
All right. Please give it to the court officer.
And she also asked for this buckle.
Is that yours?
She's very petty.
It's mine. It's mine. Your Honor.
Okay. That's enough. They're very nice. Give them to the plaintiff. Now, who are you?
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
Dorian's mother.
You are. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank
Would you like to speak to us? Talk to me. What is your name?
Vernicia Parrish.
Okay.
Okay. I was just, I was there. I wasn't there to see the altercation between the two. I just know that they got into an argument. She said she was leaving before she hurt Dorian. And then Dorian came upstairs and was like, look, keep your company upstairs. I don't want her bothering me. And then Shalina called and was like, well, I'm coming over there, bring Dorian her stuff, have her come outside in 10 minutes. So when she pulled up, Dorian went outside and got the box. And then when she came in and opened it, it was like, look, all my stuff tore up. There was baby pictures in here. This was stuff that was your baby pictures that you gave me. And so she was very upset. She was crying and everything.
What gives you the right to do that?
I was wrong. I'm not gonna lie, it was wrong. But
You know what? When you're talking about baby pictures, it's not just Dorian's, it's her mother's too.
right.
Occasions.
All right. Now, what are you suing for?
The counter, just for the harassment. Every time I saw her, it was so I don't even know what to call it between us, where I'd been told her about 4 months ago that I did not want to be with her. And it was just an attempt to get back, where I would try to stick it out. And between, her drinking habits and her just wanting to club, she doesn't have any future goals. I'm in school. She got a job because I told her, you're 25, you live at home, be responsible. She got a job just to make me happy. My mother told me that she dropped out of school. I'm only 21. If I'm going to be with somebody, I want it to be somebody that is at the same level as me, that's going to be able to help and support me, not bring me down.
I am a senior in college, so I don't know where she's getting her information. I do have a job, and I was supporting her.
What do you do, Shalina?
I am a cashier right now.
Okay, but you're in college. Where are you in college?
Chattahoochee Technical College.
Okay. Here's the bottom line. The issue is whether or not the defendant is liable to the plaintiff for conversion. Conversion is the taking of property, most of which has been returned, the belt buckle, the necklace, and the ring. All right. Now, the defendant is countersuing for emotional stress and for the pictures and the cards. And she's alleging that at the end of the day, that she has suffered. Here's a note to both of you. You both suffered. And when you pick in a relationship someone that you cannot get along with, you're going to live with stress. As far as this court is concerned, you cannot recover for that stress. What else is in there that you're returning to her?
Just things that she had given me. It's her favorite childhood book. Just little, items that she had given me that were her belongings.
Are any of them damaged?
No, everything is
Well, here's a
perfect.
lesson in class, okay? Whether she injured you accidentally or not, the bottom line is she could just as easily have done to your items what you did to hers. You know what? You should be ashamed of yourself for doing that. You don't have the right to do that. And you should look into yourself and figure out what's making you so angry. The relationship didn't work. I'm sure it's just as much your fault as it is hers. At the end of the day, what I'd like is for the two of you to stay away from each other. You give her her items. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to give you $200 simply for photographs that there's no way that I can put a price on. So be it.